Hello, welcome to the Outlook. I'm going to go over dollar CAD and Kiwi Yen, two trades we were in yesterday. They were the only two trades that I said I was going to get involved in, as price action looked messy, and it does look messy. So if we put the day dividers on, Monday's range, we broke above it, came back, hit Monday's midpoint, and we shot up. Was aiming for these highs, which is still possible. We've come back, retested Monday's high, so we'll see what goes on from here. Still a bullish structure, just a pullback, so we'll see. If we start breaking down below this here and below this here, then I'll look to cut, but we'll see what happens with this bounce. But other than that, this week's price action has been pretty messy, hard to really get a gauge on what's happening. So weeks like this, it's just all about maintaining capital and don't really think about it too much. But as in dollar CAD, looking for another push to the upside. If it starts breaking down, then we'll be out of that trade. I'll just show you from the higher time frame levels why I was picking this trade. This swing point, huge support level there. We came back down into it, so I was just looking for some sort of bounce. Last week we played the bounce just above Monday's high, nice retest, and we shot higher. So just looking for that continuation, really. Looking for Monday's high to act as support again, to see if we can get this move to the upside. Move to the upside. We also have this swing point on the daily acting as support. So higher time frame levels, Monday's range. We'll see if we can get a little bit more of a push, but really not looking to look at anything else coming into Friday. So we'll look at Kiwi Yen. Monday's range, we broke down, nice reaction. We sold off, was looking good for a while. Didn't take out last week's low. We're going to hold it anyway. We've come up, broke back above. Don't really want it to be breaking above Monday's mid-range. If it does, then I'm cutting the trade. Other than that, just leaving it. Pretty horrible pullback, but that's what happens. Just got to let this run. See if we can break back down below and get anything. Get a continuation to the downside. But that's the only two things I'm looking at. Don't really want to get involved in anything else. It's quite messy out there for me anyway. You might see something that interests you, but like I say, I just want to preserve mental capital if nothing else. The higher time frame levels, if we go to the monthly, it's just this support turns to resistance, although timing it has to be spot on. Could be one for a couple of weeks. As long as we don't break above this, the trade is still valid for me. So that is all I'm looking at. With pound news coming out in about half an hour. It'd be interesting to see if anything sets up with that. And I might put out a video later on if something does catch my eye, pound related, after the news. But other than that, I really don't see anything, so there's no point in trying to push anything onto you. Usdcad as well, we had this Monday's range, but I'm scrapping that. We have this gap here. This gap that I said, if it breaks above Monday's range, could lead to higher prices, filling this gap. But yeah, I'm scrapping that. Don't want to get involved in anything else. Aussie and Aussie Yen were things we were looking at the start of the week. They broke below Monday's range and then snapped back into it, so not really looking at that unless we get a break back down below before Friday, because I don't open trades on Friday. Same with Aussie Yen, just broke below and then snapped back in again, came back up. So we'll see what goes on with that. Not interested in them. Keeping an eye on dollar CAD, see if we can get a little bit of a rally off Monday's high, and New Zealand yen. See if we can snap back below that. So if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comments section, or you can email me or DM me on Twitter. Always willing to talk trading. Like I say, I'll maybe put out another video later on tonight and see if anything else sets up before Friday. There will be no videos next week as I am away, going to Prague. So taking a week off basically, and we'll see you again after that. So wishing you the best of luck for the rest of the day and the rest of the week, and yeah, we'll see you soon.